Okay, welcome back. If you just watched the shorts, this video is going to make sense to you. If you haven't watched the shorts, because it's part of a two-part equation in order to help your body increase vitamin B12, go back and watch the shorts really quick and then come back to this video. So I'll put a description right up above here. Okay, so for those of you who already watched it, here are the specific probiotic strains that not only helps create vitamin B12, but also absorb vitamin B12. So you need to have this two-part in the equation. So here are the probiotics that help with that. So the first one is, and you can follow along here, is Bifidobacterium breve and Lactobacillus fermentum. Now this particular probiotic strain, Lactobacillus casei, helps reduce vitamin B12 dysfunction. It reduces GI dysfunction, which if you watch the shorts, you know how important this is, as well as it actually increases vitamin B12 both in intra and extracellular function. It also helps reduce inflammation and an immune response. So for those of you who have Crohn's disease, constipation, diarrhea, this is going to be especially helpful. And if this probiotic increases in your gut over time, it actually helps increase vitamin B12 levels in your body as well. Now, Lactobacillus plantarum, this has similar benefits to Lactobacillus casei, and they kind of work hand in hand because it helps reduce stomach upset as you're increasing your probiotic use. In addition to those benefits, it also helps increase skin health and promote wound healing. Now, Bifidobacterium longum, this specific probiotic strain actually helps with small amounts of vitamin B12, but it also helps with vitamin B2 and B3 production. If you have a lack of vitamin B2, you're going to experience extremely dry skin, cracked corners of the mouth, extremely chapped lips, itchy skin, and sensitivity of the eyes. And vitamin B2 can only be stored in small amounts, so it is important to consume this daily. Now, vitamin B3, some of the symptoms for deficiency can include hyperpigmentation, rashes, insomnia, memory loss, and depression. And small amounts of this deficiency can go undetected. So it is important, and if you take too much of this, it actually can be toxic. So it's more important to take this specific probiotic strain with foods that are high in vitamin B3. Now, the last probiotic strain is Lactobacillus rhamnosus. This helps with leaky gut. It helps repair the gut barrier, heal the gut lining, and it helps increase vitamin B12. Now, it is interesting that if you have an impaired gut lining, it also is related to your skin barrier. So if you have impaired skin barrier functions, this probiotic strain is going to help with that. It also helps reduce acne by reducing the acne-causing bacteria. It helps with transepidermal water loss, and it helps increase collagen and elastin because it helps speeds up wound healing. So as you can see, your gut health is directly related to your skin's health. Because if you have a healthy skin, natural microbiome, then the antioxidants that you apply on your skin will actually be much more efficiently metabolized. Now, the reason why I like this Your Biology probiotic is because in addition to all those probiotics, it actually has 5 additional digestive enzymes as well as vitamin D3. It does not have any wood, fiber, or psyllium. There is a discount code in the description below. And if you are interested in a specific probiotic strain that increases glutathione levels up to 49% according to a 25-year study, then I will put the link in the description up here, because remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science.